better taxi, grab taxi. You see so many people here. Shaira, you already meet with your cousin?
They come back already.
Today music festival, so I think most of the people in the Clark Global City. But many people. For me, any style for you good. Already prepare, Chinese people already prepare for Chinese New Year. You want to buy for your sister?
Yes.
Not easy for Shaira, fine. You see, I am not fat. My friend before bought this one for her mother. And blue going to the Angeles City. Why? You scared? Okay. A maximum how much here? Maximum.
200,000.
And you will buy more maybe?
Yes.
Not? Okay, it's better. Cold? Not cold.
Sour.
Yes, maybe we will eat in classic savory. Hi everyone. Today is Sunday. And we're going to SM City Clark with Shaira. Hi Shaira.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Small Life Philippines. It's Sunday afternoon and I'm with Leon. We're going to SM Clark and maybe later I will go with my family, some family bonding.
Your family going to SM City Clark also?
Yes, also, but they need to prepare only right now.
Okay.
But I need to meet my cousin right now to give some things. And they come back to Manila also.
Your cousin now in SM Clark?
Yes. We meet inside SM Clark McDonald's.
SM Clark McDonald's, okay.
Yes.
And I will take video for you from SM Clark. Walking video. Maybe someone interesting. What's new in SM City Clark. We now already near. Sunset already. Good weather. And traffic, of course. Valet parking. So many cars. Okay, we can try to find here free. If not, we will park to metal.
I think
Maybe.
not so many big cars already.
Maybe. Yes, have space, take a look, good. Shaira will go already now. Okay.
There, front there.
So in the front we can meet. Okay, I wait you Shaira in the gate, main gate, okay? You will take coffee, not forget coffee, okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Go there, okay?
Okay, now I will go. Okay. Shaira will go to meet with your cousin. Busy place, even night time. You see, tricycle driver also here. But I think better if you want taxi, better taxi, grab taxi. You see, so many people here. Sunday, this is premium bus Genesis. Yeah, terminal. So going to airport. I don't know, terminal 1 maybe. No, maybe terminal 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, many people. Shaira, you already meet with your cousin?
They come back already in Manila.
They go to Manila right now? Okay. Oh, so big line. People go to Manila, going home. No, I like this one.
You think what is this?
Yes, I want to put in terrace same, and this color also good. Yes, it's better, and this red. But Shaira, where can buy?
Not buy.
No, where?
We can ask or we can.
No, you can ask her, okay? This is waiting place for taxi. Yeah, taxi. It's for taxi. Now music. Today music festival. So I think most of the people in the Clark Global City, not in the Clark. But we can check now. Yeah. Right. Avatar. Avatar already have in the cinema. But many people. Are you hungry? I also not hungry because I eat in the home. Yeah, first drink, we can walk a little bit.
You can go in the top first.
In the top? What you want in the top?
What's this?
No, okay. Okay, in the top. Nissan Tiara. Good car. I used Nissan before. Nissan Safari, Nissan... what is this? Oh God, Patrol. Shaira today with dress. New hairstyle, new color. Yeah. For me, any style for you good. Greenland 2 movie. Greenland 2. Send Help only in the cinema from January 28. Okay. Already Greenland already January 14. Department store?
Yes.
What you want? No, I don't know. Say what you want in department store. Huh? Shaira?
I want to try something.
Okay, you see. That's good. Long time I not play. Did
Yeah, I want to find something for my old sister.
for old sister?
Yes, because we,
Your old sister when she come back to the Philippines?
last Saturday?
Saturday come back?
No, next, after 6 days.
After 6 days come back to the Philippines?
No, come back to Taiwan.
She now in the Philippines?
Yes, you not see it?
No, not seen
She's
her.
from Saturday, and then and it's surprise. We know that we're
Uh,
only.
but she been in the villa?
Yes,
I not seen her.
of course she used another card before. That's why I said to you.
Maybe she sleep when we arrive in the villa.
No, she's not asleep.
Not sleep?
She just arrived here.
Okay. Shaira, wait, I need to take a jacket because cold for me. Not so many people now. Not so many. I expected today more people, but today music festival, that's why many people in the music festival. That's why I don't. Not
Maybe
so-
soon they go there.
Maybe. I don't know what time the close music festival is. Today last day.
And also in February, this February have also same.
In February,
Yes, have event also here in Clark.
in Clark.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
But I need to first finish this one.
Okay, you can drink.
Then we can go inside already.
Yes, yeah. Okay, we can walk little bit. We can walk and you can slowly drink. Not need so fast to drink, Shaira, cold.
And we can go now.
Okay, I need also battery for AirTag. Because one AirTag already... one AirTag already low bat. This is the same store. Use also jacket, Shaira, because cold. If you drink cold coffee, need also jacket. Prepare for Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year in the February. Yeah, it's already for Chinese New Year. That's why I'm not going to China now, because already prepare, Chinese people already prepare for Chinese New Year. Take jacket. I will go to China, Hong Kong.
When?
now prepare for Chinese New Year. And New Year in February. And about 1 month we will celebrate. I not go to China now, I say. Only after. Lucky Frog. Lucky Frog. I have in Lucky Frog in my home. So many. Pig. I see pig. How much is pig? 300 peso. Where Shaira? I think in the Sam Clark always every time discount.
Maybe.
Because I see buy one get one or 20% discount, sometimes 50% discount. Yeah, if you go to the straight, it's already coffee bean. So we're going down. It's also leather, have wallets, good quality. 50% off, you see. 50. Perfume. Many perfume, many. Shaira go so faster. Ah, you want to buy for your all sister?
Yes.
I think all sister can buy in Taiwan.
But it's, from Christmas and New Year, but I not.
Ah, you want to give Christmas gift and New Year gift for her? Yes. 50%. 400 peso. 400. I think it's good way. It's you buy gift card and she will choose what she want. I think it's better. Maybe she want another color or maybe another she want to buy.
Gift is gift, understand?
Huh?
I said gift is gift.
Ah, okay, you see. 50%, 50. 50.
How much that one? The top.
This one?
Yes.
Price 400 peso. Not easy for Shaira find what better for her old sister. I just want to wait her. Already run to cashier. Oh, Shaira bought 400 peso. Gift for your old sister from me. Yes, from me. Okay. That joke only, Shaira, of course.
No, it's from you. It's gift.
Yeah, from me gift.
Yes.
I use a card, smart card. It's have also discount sometimes from this card. This one. Shaira, you see, I am not fat. Box is too small. It's for you. Joke only, joke. It's not for you, of course. Need another. Not. I am not thin. I am like box is big.
Yes.
For you need another.
Different.
Yes, different. No, I mean same style. You need. It's Philippine style or Philippine souvenirs also. Take a look. T-shirts, jackets, and interesting. We see Philippine culture. My friend before bought this one for her mother. How much? 700 peso. It's good. Good quality. Souvenirs. 1000 peso. Take a look. Also good. You see. Slippers. I recommend the tourist visit this place. You can buy interesting and bring to your home. Jeepney, Philippines jeepney. How much is Philippine jeepney? 179 peso. Small. And big jeepney 320. Big jeepney. Blue. Yellow. Yellow going to the SM Clark. Blue, SM Clark. SM to the Clark from main gate. And blue going to the Angeles City. Angeles City. And also to Clark, gray, go to the Clark. Philippine flag. Flag is 179 peso. It's good. Souvenirs from the Philippines. Shaira, I know you like sing song here. You need microphone. Always you want microphone if you... But we have already speaker big. We have bigger than this. I bought, I remember, like this, about 20,000 peso. Yeah, about 20,000 I bought. More big than this. Portable, 10,000. Portable. For picnic is good. But sometimes in picnic maybe people don't like noisy, Shaira. I not recommend it use.
For me, I like.
Oh, you like always music. Yeah, many people here. Coffee Bean. Popular place. Hi? What?
Maybe we can sit here. I can sit here and then I will wait.
You want to sit?
Yes. Look how big.
You want to take picture? Why? You scared? Okay. If you scared, you sit, Shaira. You sit. I take video. Okay. Shaira scared. I'm not scared, of course. I am more scared inside in Fields Avenue nighttime, but not scared is... Yeah, so big. Shaira afraid. Food court. I cannot see free tables. Cannot see. Okay. Cake land. Popular. Fresh lumpia. Puto high. Ube, I like ube. Pizza bread also have. What is this? Is honey or not? It's not honey.
Chili oil. Garlic chili.
Jelly. Honey don't have here. Honey don't have. Okay. Thank you. Leche plan also. I said to Shaira, not worry about this. Where your family, Shaira?
I come from here.
Only now? You want if I sit?
Yes.
Same hypermarket. Chicken price today high, 190. I remember before 180. 10 peso more. Window blinds also shop. Also discount, take a look. 50% discount. Shaira want lotto. Shaira want again try. Lotto?
Scratch.
I know, scratch lotto. Okay, you try if you want. Gamblings for adults only. Shaira have AirTag also.
I was trying
So this one, how many peso one pieces?
20 pesos.
Ah, this is 20, this 20, 60 peso.
Yes. So I will
Uh-huh.
try if I win or
Okay, okay, try. I want to see.
you're the one who's gonna scratch
Yeah.
it.
No, you scratch, you, not me. Interesting. Okay, Shaira. 1 million you want, huh? Vietnam dong. Any, okay.
I wish I'm... Oh, 500, 500. 550, 550. Oh, don't have.
Okay, this don't have.
500,
Okay.
550. 5,000.
Oh, you have 5,000? A maximum how much here? Maximum.
2,000, 200,000.
Oh, good, good.
Yeah, if you're so lucky,
Mm-hmm.
you can take the 100. Ah, don't have also.
Also don't have.
100, 100.
Ah.
Oh, 10,000. 10,000. 200,000.
Okay, okay. Last.
I wish I'd finish. Or 40 pesos. 20 pesos, 40 pesos. Ah, 40 pesos.
Ah,
I win. I win.
40?
Yes.
Oh, good. You pay 60 peso and win 40.
Yes.
And you will buy more maybe.
Yes.
Not? Okay, it's better.
Sayang. Ang ganda lang ang 10,000, 10,000.
Ah.
But I win only 40.
Oh, good also. Also
Lost
good.
only 20,
Lost only 20 peso. Only 20 lost. Very happy, Shaira. But if you not play, you not lost 20 peso.
Okay.
Ah, it's okay, it's just for fun. Yeah? Okay. So what, you want to, I know, you want to sit and drink coffee again.
Little bit only.
Little bit only. Okay. Makimura. Makimura, oh, many people also. Shaira, I want to try someday Makimura. Japanese, I like Japanese food. Dunkin' always many people. Dunkin', you see, many. So what, you want here? Ah, okay. Okay, Shaira, I will wait you. I will sit. What you want to buy? Ah, strawberry. Mango. Mango is good. Okay. Strawberry? But you said mango you want. Ah, don't have mango. And how much is? Ah, you give you don't know how much.
Oh, do you have
No, I cold I don't want. For me better.
drink right now?
Ah, you don't want drink right now?
It's for later.
Ah, okay.
Because it's, I think it's yogurt or smoothie.
No, you can ask. I don't know what is this.
Smoothie.
Maybe.
It's smoothie. So if it's melted, it's smooth water inside.
Okay.
But it's so many not the cocoa here.
So we're waiting right now your family,
Yes.
but your sister a few days ago just come back to the Philippines.
Last Saturday.
Ah, last Saturday, yesterday, last night. And she work in the Taiwan. How long time she work in Taiwan already?
It's getting 2 years.
Ah,
Soon 2 years. In
soon 2 years.
April. Yes. Since I work in McDonald's here in Wingate, same time, same day.
Uh-huh.
Ay, June.
So after 2 years, she can come back to her home.
No, this May again she come back.
In May again come back. How she work with contract in company?
Yes.
Okay.
Contract for 3 years or 2 years. It's depend on the company in Taiwan.
It's already second time she work in Taiwan. Before I know she work a long time, 4 years or how?
Long time already, but it's easy for them to work there. Or maybe, Philippines here are more hardworking people, and most of people are they need they cannot eat. Like they always think like we need to help their family or be more capable to earn money from another country.
I remember before she work in Taiwan from work and she bought house in the Philippines and one Toyota Hiace with her husband together.
Yes.
Okay.
But they already like
They separate already, separate. And she work before she work with her husband together, and she work now alone in Taiwan.
yes.
It's hard work, of course.
Of course, it's hard work. It's production operator there.
Production operator.
Same like in TI. Texas Instrument, where I work.
I remember you work together with her and Texas Instrument together.
Yes.
But why she don't want work in the Philippines? Salary high maybe in Taiwan.
Yes, salary high.
High salary. Okay. Okay, you drink Shire.
Next berries. Alright. Ah!
Not good? Good.
Sour.
Cold? Not cold.
Sour. Strawberry.
No, I don't want. Cold I don't want. No.
Kulog na.
Shira said холодно, it's in Russian language, it's mean cold. Shira, better not drink cold and
Wait,
take
wait.
jacket. Wear your jacket. Shira, wear your jacket. Use jacket now. Wear jacket.
Already in my head, what is this kulog na?
No, why? Why you drink cold? Eat slowly, eat cold.
Already. Right, because of the, what is this, brain freeze,
Wear jacket, Shira. Shira already with her family, her sisters. This is Pamela children and we're going to eat right now. Yes, maybe we will eat in classic Savary. Yes, it's better. And have space today. Classic Savary. Yeah, it's good. I like this restaurant. We will go to eat. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.